Hello everyone, welcome to this course on From Zero to Hero in Trigonometry. In the previous lesson, we saw how the standard trigonometric identities can be manipulated into different forms. So in this lesson, we are going to do an interesting question. So I'll write down the question here, and I request you to pause this video for some time. Try to get the every part of this question. So the question is, prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta minus sin theta plus 1. This is equal to sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 by sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. This is equal to root over 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So we have 9 different expressions and we need to show that all these are equivalent expressions. So in fact, this is not just a single question. This question can be framed as 36 different questions. How? Say somebody can ask you to prove F is equal to E. Somebody else can ask you to prove E is equal to A. Somebody can ask you to prove that I is equal to D. So all these possibilities are there. So I am going to ask you to do all these 36 questions as an exercise, but here I'm going to show you some of the equivalence between these expressions, so that you will get sufficient practice and you will have some idea about how to approach such kind of questions. But please make sure that you take up this question as a challenge and do every part of this question. For example, let's see how we can go from G to H. Okay. So the expression we have on the LHS is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. And I am going to show that this is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. All right. Now, the LHS, the expression on the LHS need to be simplified and you have to arrive at the expression on the RHS. And clearly, you see that in the RHS, the denominator is 1. So, it means that some term is getting cancelled off in the numerator and the denominator is getting cancelled. Okay. So, what I'll do is, I'm going to use a trick here. I'm going to write the 1 in the numerator as sec square theta minus tan square theta. So in the denominator I have tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Right. Now this can be factorized. This expression can be factorized. This is actually sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. So you take sec theta plus tan theta out. Tan theta plus sec theta is taken outside. So this becomes 1 minus of sec theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now you see that these two get cancelled off and you are left with tan theta plus sec theta. Now let us see how we can go from, say, H to C. So we have sec theta plus tan theta, and we need to show that this is 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So the idea is very simple. Since we have 1 in the denominator, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator with sec theta minus tan theta. And numerator becomes sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is 1. So 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Next, let us see how we can go from, say, C to D. So we have already seen that sec theta plus tan theta by 1 and 1 by sec theta minus tan theta are equal. Okay. Now we are going to use a rule from ratio and proportions, which says that if A by B equal to C by D, then this is also equal to A plus C by B plus D. So using this result, we can say that this is also equal to sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 by 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta. So we have the result ready. Now let us see how we can go from, say, H to F. So I'm going to write sec theta plus tan theta as 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So we have this is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. We have arrived at A, and from A you have to reach F. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator with cos theta. Okay. Now this is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. In the denominator we have cos square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta. So here this 1 minus sin square theta, 1 plus sin square theta, 1 plus sin theta will get cancelled. So this is cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. So we have, 1 plus sin theta will get cancelled. So what we are left with is 1 minus sin theta in the denominator. So we have this as well. Now let us see how we can go from, say, F to B. So we have cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. And we have to show that this is equal to root over 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so what I'm going to write is, I'm going to write cos theta as root over 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. And so this is going to be root over 1 minus sin theta into root over 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus sin theta. And the denominator it will be root over 1 minus sin theta into root over 1 minus sin theta. So these two gets cancelled and we are left with root over 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Right. So this question can be framed as 36 different questions, as I mentioned previously. So I want everyone to try all these parts, and this is going to be a very good exercise. Okay.